Welcome to today's guide, where we will show you how to change the currency in the eSky mobile app. Whether you are booking flights, hotels, or packages, setting the correct currency will help you see prices in a way that's most convenient for you. This process is quick. First, open the eSky app on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the account icon. Then, scroll down through the menu until you find the option called Region and Currency. Tap on it to open the settings. After that, choose your preferred currency from the list provided. You can scroll to find the one that matches your needs. Finally, once you have selected the currency you want, tap on Save at the bottom of the screen to confirm the changes. And that's it. You have now updated the currency in your eSky app, making it easier to view prices and manage bookings in the format you prefer.